everyone, Jackie here back with another video, and you're probably wondering where I'm at. Behind these doors is a beautiful custom built home that my friends just so happen to do here in South Texas. I'm gonna post their information right here. So if you're in the South Texas area, they are building custom homes as well as barndominiums. And I can't wait to show you what's behind these doors. So let's go inside. Hey guys, so I am inside the home and it's a little echoey, but there hasn't been a lot of furniture inside the home yet. The owners are gonna be moving in soon, and my friend Amanda, her and her husband who owned the business, built this beautiful barndominium, and I have Jalen behind the camera, my right-hand wingman. She is my ride or die, like I love her to death. So she is working behind the camera, but we're gonna switch so that way she can go on the tour too. Amanda kind of gave me a rough idea of everything, and oh my goodness, she's gonna be like, wow, it is insane. All the details and everything that they put into their homes is impeccable. I want to show you right up top, the beams. Look at those beams. They are so beautiful. It's like I want to buy and build a barndo. But let's take you to the kitchen. I'm going to take you around. You can kind of see that it's an open floor plan. And she did say that if you're in the South Texas area, you can actually pick the floor plans that you want, and the pricing is based per the design. So let's take you to the kitchen. These countertops are stunning. They have the gold brass details in the countertops. Oh my goodness. And then I don't know if you've noticed too, the white cabinets have the gold brass hardware that accents the countertop, which is really, really nice feature. Island's black with the gold brass features. Beautiful, oh my goodness. Black countertop, look at this. Beautiful farmhouse sink, oh my goodness. And then look at this view. If you're out in Texas area, I'm pretty sure you're probably gonna have some kind of property with a barndo. But if you don't, I mean, I can only imagine the sky's the limit. Having the kids play out there, having big barbecues. I mean, the back porch is stunning. So we'll be back there here in a little bit. But just all the features are just amazing. And I think they said that this window flips up and opens out towards the back. So if you're entertaining inside, they made it to where you can entertain also outside. So it's an inner outdoor kind of space, and I love that. Wow, oh my gosh. Okay, so in here is pantry. All right guys, so we are actually walked in from the kitchen to the pantry. This is a good size pantry. Now remember, they are actually still in the construction phase. So cabinets and some shelving is gonna go in here, but this is a decent sized pantry. I mean, you're not gonna have a little space to get to your food and things that you need, which is nice. So I'm trying to whisper because of the echo, but this is the pantry. It's a good size. I mean, the possibilities are endless. Doing some really cute floating shelves, a cabinet space down here would be cute, some floating shelves up here, an L shape going this way. That way you can kind of have a little bit of both. Possibly doing on this side a really cute, I would say like a coffee bar type thing. I mean, there's a plug here. So really the sky's the limit on the design whenever you're custom building your own home. And Amanda and her husband said that they pretty much do anything. So if you're in the market and you're in the South Texas area, make sure to check them out. Okay, let's go to the next room. So coming right off the kitchen, we are going to be going into the laundry room. Now again, everything is still under construction. Homeowners are moving into their home, so they're gonna be bringing in a lot of their stuff. But I wanna take you into the laundry room really quick. They have beautiful black tile. Again, doing the white with the gold brass hardware, black countertops. I mean, this is cute. And oh, look, they have a really cute slide. What do they call it? Pocket doors, that's what it is. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, I love that. And I'm sure too, if you're like, oh, I'm not gonna do a pocket door, possibly doing a barn door, there's a space for it. So that could be also another option. But this would be the laundry room. Washer and dryer connections, a nice window. And then you have a sink here for your washroom coming in from outside. If you're outside, like in the Texas area, we have nothing but country and dirt. So, so yeah, we live out in the country. So it's nice to have a little mud space to kind of do the things that you need. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a built-in mud bench area right here. And then possibly, I don't know what she's going to put here, maybe the washer and dryer here, and I'm not sure what this area is going to be, but two cute places to have some really cute built-in mud benches there, I would think. And then there is this bathroom behind. Same concept, white countertops, the gold brass hardware. It's a beautiful mirror, black cabinets, gold brass hardware, and it just ties everything in. I love it. Onto this side of the house. So the front entrance is right there. Coming this way, we have a daughter's room, and I believe this is the son's room, and then a bathroom here. They're going to be putting up a glass, a beautiful glass shower wall, and we're going to go inside and take a look, and that way you can kind of see everything. Same concept, black with the gold hardware, beautiful white countertops, just ties everything in. Loving the black grout. And I actually have this tile in my kitchen. Believe it or not, this tile reminds me so much of Rae Dunn. I don't know if you're familiar with her, but she has a very really cute ceramic-y type vibe when she's writing all her little prints on her coffee mugs and stuff. But that is what this tile reminds me of, and I absolutely love it. So this is the bedroom. It's a pretty big size space. Now, given the fact that it is a big Barndominium, as far as the floor plans go, they're pretty easy to work with as far as what you're wanting. So with their clients, they wanted a beautiful home with a space to have their two kids on one side, a bathroom in the center. I'm pretty sure there's room for there to do a Jack and Jill bath if that ever comes across as something of a custom feature that you can add. But this is a good size room. Jalen is standing over there and I'm gonna come this way. I mean, it's pretty decent size. I wanna say it's maybe 20 by 20, including the closet. And then let's look in the closet. It's a big size closet. Adding some shelving in here. Oh yeah, I love it. And here is the daughter's room. Now furniture is starting to come in as the homeowners are, I believe, moving in this week. So it's so cute, it's so pink, I love it. And the bed is so pretty. Reminds me of one of those antique beds. Closet space right here. And you know how all of our gals are. It's pretty big. If she's like my little diva, then I'm sure she's going to have lots of clothes and toys. So coming back into the living space, again, it's open floor plan. On the opposite side of the bedrooms is another guest bedroom and a bathroom. So let's go take a look this way. It's pretty big. Again, I'm gonna stand in the opposite corner, and that's a pretty big space. It's really nice. It has a double door closet as well for the guest bedroom. Got some beautiful stuff in here. And then the guest bathroom. There's accents of the gold as well. Black cabinets, white countertops, the gold brass throughout the bathroom. And then of course the tile, they carried it all throughout the house. So they used the tile, I don't know if you remember, this is the same tile that was in the laundry room, the same tile that was in the kids' bathroom. So pretty. Oh, in the backsplash on the kitchen, that's right. So they tied everything in, which is really nice. A really good feature. Now, if you're wanting to mix it up, I'm sure that the customization would be based upon the clients that's wanting to buy. So it looks really cute, really clean. Loving the gold brass. So the moment we've all been waiting for, we're gonna go check out the master bedroom. So let's go see. I love it. Look at that. Ooh, it's so pretty and big. I love the space. I feel like with Barndominiums, that's what you're gonna get. A lot of bang for your buck, and then also the space. This is huge, I love it. It's a decent sized bedroom for sure. This is, wow. This is the master bath. The walk-in shower here. They're gonna do the glass doors. Again, this is still under construction, but she, when I saw her ad on the house, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to come out and see one of your houses. Oh, that would be nice. Look at this vanity. Oh my gosh. It is so pretty. Love it. And what better way than to have this huge walk-in closet behind me? Duh. I can definitely see a cute Long Island here. Lots of shelving for closet stuff, or even a bench. I mean, but this is like amazing. This would be my closet. John will have a little linen closet. Actually, it would be reversed. If everybody knows my husband, it would be reversed. He has more clothes than I can count. But this is really nice. I love it. I love the can lights. It's really beautiful. My goodness. Beautiful. And we're gonna go out these back doors and let's see. Ooh, look at that. The detail that they did on the concrete is the cutest thing I've ever seen. So I know that for sure on one of the Fixer Upper episodes, they did do the same concept on a home, and I thought it was the cutest thing. I love it. It's actually a stamp, and then you order the stamp and then you imprint it as you're putting in the concrete. Will I ever do concrete? I don't know. I'll probably like to learn because I like to learn everything. But this is beautiful. Did you check out that? The fan. Look at that. That is so nice. I absolutely love how grand it feels. Doesn't feel so enclosed. And this is the window that flips open to come out. And then of course you can sit and chat, grab your food, head over here and visit with family and friends. Oh my goodness. Big table here, some chairs there, possibly putting a TV somewhere. The sky is the limit. My goodness, I love it. Thanks again guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. For future videos and more fun projects and crazy little rendezvous trips just like this, well, you should join us on our channel. Subscribe, hit that bell for notification, and comment below if you'd like to see more of our work as well as these beautiful homes. I can't wait to show you another one. Oh my gosh. What do you think? All right, we'll catch you on the next one, guys.